So, hi everyone. Many of you have asked me about doing a room tour of my craft room for so many years. So, this is it. I'm showing you my room tour today of my craft room. It's finally finished. I moved into this new house about 2 years ago. First had to get my daughter's room in shape, and after that it was ready for my room, for my craft room. So this is also the first time you will be hearing me on video. Please excuse me, English is not my native language, so I will do my best to guide you through it, and I hope you enjoy it. So the first thing is this wallpaper. It's waves. I really liked it. It's a bit of charcoal dark gray. I was a bit hesitant to do it because it's, as you can see, it's not a really big room, but I really loved how it turned out. And I also love that I was able to find some furniture that go along with this wallpaper. So the first thing is my desk. It's actually kind of teal dark blue. I don't know if you can see it. This is mainly where I do my regular job, not crafting. I needed a room for that too, with COVID and working from home. So this is also not my laptop, it's for my boss. It's not mine, unfortunately. We have some wrapping paper here. I'm actually not really sure if I want to keep it here, but well, the holidays have just been over and it was really handy to have it downstairs, so you can still see some Christmas wrapping paper and stuff like that. Sorry, this is our Christmas tree. It's waiting to be picked up. Yeah, this globe, it's really cool. It's from Authentic Models and it features real globes from all the last centuries. So they're really authentic globes that were really in use in the old days. So it features different globes from different areas. And yeah, it's just really cool in this room. So here we have my storage racket. I think it's from House Doctor. I really love it. It's a bit industrial, but also a bit vintage, and it can hold a lot of stuff. So yeah, here's my cabinet. Wait, let me go. This is my chest. It has stuff that I don't really use a lot. So if you see my videos a lot, I don't really use a lot of acrylic paints or glitter spray and stuff like that. So that's in here. In this crate, I have some inks, but it's actually all the ink except for distress ink. Well, there's one over there, but the distress ink I keep at a different place because I use them a lot. So yeah, this clock's not working, but I thought it was really cool with the wallpaper, so it's nice. Yeah, here's my vintage cabinet. It's made of iron. Here are all my punches. There's a lot more, but I can't really open the drawer because the clock will fall if I don't do it with two hands. So I'm trying to hold my phone. In here I have stickers, a whole lot of stickers, all different types. And in here I keep my stamps, some homemade, Halloween, Christmas, but also some from Stamping Up. And the corresponding dies I keep in the same drawer because otherwise I not be able to find them anymore. And in this drawer I have my plates for my embossing machine. And the bottom drawer is actually a surprise for me. I don't know what's in here. Oh yeah, stamps. A lot of stamps. A lot of stamps. Mostly vintage stamps. Flowery stamps, also a lot of stamps. So here's my apron for when I'm doing crafting. And here is my collection of crafts that I made before. Some collages. Wait, let me open the door. So you can see better. So as you've seen my videos, I think you've seen my works, but it's nice that I can now store them in this really nice cabinet. yeah, I don't have room to place everything, but they're just lying here and standing here. They used to be in a traveling bag because I didn't have room anywhere to keep them. So here's all my mini books. And the tag from one of my most popular videos. And here's some more of my mini albums. And my Halloween box, which was my last video. So yeah, I'm really happy that I finally have the space to store my work properly and keep it dust free and smoke free and everything. So yeah. Yeah, right over here we have my big shot. Yeah, it's a big shot, yeah. And my cinch machine. It's for making books. Actually never use it, but it's really nice to have it in hand. And I have some really cool old pictures I found at the thrift store from, yeah, old ships. And I want to maybe put them on the wall, but yeah, didn't have time yet for it. But they're waiting here. And of course, here's my desk with my latest work. Didn't make a video of it yet. Well, I filmed the process, but I didn't finish editing the video. It's an art studio. It was so much fun to make it. I had so much fun making this. It is really cool. Please let me know in the comments if you want to see the step-by-step video for this piece of work, because it was a lot of work. It's also a lot of editing to get this video up. But I think it will be so worth it, because it's so fun to do and anyone can do this. Trust me, it's really easy to do. Just follow the steps and let me know, comments, let me know if you want to see a video of this process and how you can also make it. Because yeah, as you can see, it's just glass bottles, pieces of brass, you know, anyone can do this. So let me know. So yeah, this is my desk. It has, can you see this white bars going? So this is actually where I film my videos. This really sad piece of plastic sticky tape. This is where I put my phone. And then I have eagle eye view of my desk, and then I can film everything. So I don't have any fancy setup. I would love to have it, but I can't find anything to use to film my videos. So if anyone has an idea on how to make eagle eye videos, please let me know and I can get rid of this thing. But yeah, for anyone wondering how I make my videos, this is it. So yeah, here I have my card. It's just from IKEA. You maybe recognize it. On top it has all my stuff that I use the most, like my crafting sheet, yeah, guides, glue, as you can see, pencils, yeah, things to measure. So everything that I use the most in my videos is here in this card. I've been really into polymer clay lately, so I bought all the tools for polymer clay. But yeah, I still really love paper the most. So yeah, I don't think you will see any polymer clay videos in the future. No, but I really like it to make little cute stuff for my daughter and things like that. So, and then here we have my huge IKEA, yeah, what is it? A closet where I store all my things, like a sewing machine. I have a power outlet there, so I can put my tools here. So glue gun, hot air stuff, how is it called? I don't know, sorry. My light pad for if I want to trace some things. Yeah, so I have everything that's electric right in hands. In the drawers, there's all sorts of like paper, of course, vintage. Also, so a lot of blocks. Also, guys, a lot of this stuff is secondhand. I just buy it from Facebook groups. None of this paper I bought new in the store, nothing. It's all secondhand. So please Search for Facebook Marketplace, search everywhere. They have it secondhand, trust me. And it's all really good. It's really nice stuff. So here, I don't know. This is some Project Life cards. I bought it when my daughter was born. I don't really use it. Sometimes I use it for making scrapbook layouts for my daughter. And let's see these drawers, if it will open. Yeah, here are my cropping tools and my eyelet tools. And the rings for the cinch machine. Yeah, well, here's more paints. Some other stuff, wooden stuff. Baker's twine. Same here. And here we have all our Tim Holt stuff and other vintage products. It's easier for me to keep them like this. So when I make a video, I can just grab what I need and go. So this is all vintage, mostly Tim Holt and other, yeah, vintage items. In the crates, there's also some more vintage stuff. Wallpapers, stamps, some acrylic pencils. I mean aquarelle pencils to do watercolor. Yeah. Okay, so let me walk back because I can't really go past here. So this is the tins that I store my distress ins in. They're really cool. You can fit the distress inks right there. And I have about 6 of them. So I want to keep them color coordinates, but it's a bit difficult because, you know, when you're crafting, you're just grabbing what you need and you don't really bother to yeah, put them back in a good order. But yeah, it's really nice to have these storage tins. Down here we have some crates. You can buy them in the Netherlands. They're made especially for these IKEA yeah, storage cabinets. They fit right, and because they're 12-12, you can fit collections in here. So let's see, we have the French Riviera collection here. The paper can fit right in, and then all the jewels and all the all the other stuff that goes with the collection you can also keep in here, so nothing will get lost. So it was a bit expensive, but yeah, I think it's worth it to keep your paper neat and keep it nicely stored. So that's really cool. Let's see what else. Well, in the crates there's glue and all types of stuff. Also some crafting stuff for my daughter because I really don't know where else to put it. Yeah, this is my favorite vintage cabinet. I made it myself from the IKEA cabinet. So I just turned the drawers around and then screwed these on, gave it a tanned look, and now it looks vintage. This is my Canon Printer. I can print photos from here. So that's really cool. I can just print them from my phone right away. To use in my little scrapbooking album. I can show you. It's not really vintage, but maybe it's something you like. So this is my little girl. And I used this paper to make surprises for the daycare. So I had a bit left. I thought, well, let's use it. So this is actually from Simple Stories. And it's really cute. And I really like it. So I can do some scrapbooking in between, and yeah, so that's what I use my photo printer for. Yeah, so, and I have a speaker here so I can listen to music while I'm crafting. And in the drawers there's more stuff. This is from the Simple Stories for in the album. Yeah, some rope, other stuff. This is everything for my photo printer, so you can also print small photos and ink. And yeah, this is some glitter, I think. Yeah, a lot of glitter. Yeah, a lot of random bits and bobs. So that's what I keep in here. And yeah, I think that is about it. Also, the lamp is coordinating. I really like it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up. Let me know what's happening. I hope you all had a really lovely Christmas and see you soon. Bye, love you.